Hey guys, welcome to week 8. We're here, right? We're at the end. You guys have gone through 7 weeks of judicial process, and we are finally here at the end looking at jury trials, the difference between jury and judge trials. And we're also going to look at kind of how the sequence of a case moves through the court system. I know we've touched on that a number of times so far. So, in looking at this week, one thing I wanted to point out is that there is a supplemental article that says, what is the sequence of events in the criminal justice system under your course readings for the week. That link may not work. So what I did is I found and I popped in the course announcement that you guys will see below a link to the American Bar Association. There's a flow chart that kind of shows all the different ways that a case can get entered into the criminal justice system, the court system, and work its way down. So that's something important to remember. Also, finally, coming into week 8, you have your final research paper. It's a 3-page paper. If you look under the learning activities for the week, all the details will be down there. And it's going to be on Jim and Susie Homemaker. There's a particular case involving the homemakers, and you have quite a few questions to answer there. But in answering each of those questions, you will touch on most of the judicial process topics and things that we've gone over over the last 7, now 8 weeks. Under the biblical application this week on jury trials, in looking at jury trials, many of you, if you are in the Word and know a lot about the Old Testament, a lot of things were tried by judge, right? Even in the New Testament or Old Testament and going into the New Testament with, Roman occupation and everything was also tried by judges. So the whole judge versus jury topic that I mentioned previously at the beginning of this video announcement is really interesting when you start looking at the biblical application. I found a really good source, not just on the topic for this week, but something that you guys may want to look at as you write your paper, as you kind of go back and you look over the topics for the week, and also as you advance in your studies here at Montreat with your degree. That is by Matthew Tozer. And I think it's Christian Legal Chronicles is what the name of his website is. Please look at it. Again, as we begin the last week of the course, please reach out to me with any questions you have on the last research paper. If you have any questions about formatting, anything like that, please look back over the resources that have been in previous course announcements for APA, paper formatting, all of that kind of good stuff. Stick to the assignment instructions because that's how it'll be graded by. And look at your previous grading feedback. And try to fix a few of those things as well. So this last research paper will be cleaned up and will be a really good product that you put out. I want to encourage you guys, stay strong. You're doing really well. Your writing has improved. Your analysis and the way that you've illustrated that analysis in your writing has improved as well. And I look forward to reading what you guys have on jury trials and in reference to the homemakers, not shoemakers. So again, I'll be praying for each of you. Please keep your classmates in your prayers as well. Many of you have reached out with different obstacles that you're facing with your families, children, things of that nature. So please keep each other in your prayers, and I'll be praying for each of you this week. If you have any questions, reach out to me and let me know.